Welcome back to my studio, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a little DIY project and decided to go ahead and do it with you guys because it's always more fun that way and a little more exciting because I get to see the before and the after. We're going to go ahead and create a little wall mirror, and I'm going to do it right back there because it's the perfect place to do it and it's also the perfect size. And then this is what I'm working with right now. This mirror is really tiny. This thing right here, this table is blocking it. All right, I just measured it and it looks like I need something with a 30-inch width and a 70-inch height. It could be actually shorter than that, but what really matters is the width. So let's go see what they have in store. This is my car, guys. It's a hot mess, don't look. Let me actually show you guys what I'm interested in buying. There was this one brand of mirror that I liked from Target that I saw online. This is her, guys. This is it. It's only 80 bucks. If you guys have heard of Vanity Impressions, it's pretty much the vanity mirrors with like all the lights around it that looks so heavenly. It's about 700 bucks. It's on sale because of like the holidays and stuff. If I buy this for $80 and if I could just buy some like lights to turn on but just by pushing them, I can be saving around $300 or more. All right, guys, we're finally here at Target. Look at how cute these shoes are. So cute, and it's in my size. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I love shoes. Anytime I see them, I get really distracted. But we are approaching the mirrors. Let's see if they have it in stock. Hi, guys. They have it. It's back there. They have it. Oh my god. They do. Threshold mirror, guys. Oh my god. How did I get so lucky to find it on the first Target store that I step into? 2018 is looking good. Dude, mounting this thing was no joke on this freaking cart. Like, I'm just so happy I have this, but I'm kind of torn between this silver one and this black one. I actually decided to get them both because I'm so undecisive and it's actually really hard to carry them both on the cart. Like, I think I'm gonna need help bringing this to my car because it's only me right now. Let me tell you how glad I am I didn't straighten my hair because it's raining, guys, and I did not bring an umbrella, but I did wear my coat. All right, we have arrived to the hockey puck district. Look at all these light pucks. We have a lot to choose from and it has like a wide variety of prices right here. This one is really cool. It's silver. It'll definitely go with the mirror and it's only 10 bucks. So this one doesn't even require any wiring. It uses AAA batteries, which are included, so that is definitely a plus. The mirrors are finally here. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Alright, so these screws go in here, and then I'm going to screw this in until there's about 1/4 of it sticking out, like about that much, and that is what we're going to hang the mirror on. The mirror is finally up. I am in love with it. This mirror, guys, as you guys saw, was only 80 bucks. Alright, time to get these bad boys on the wall. Let's go ahead and open them up. So go ahead and remove this little tab. Ooh, pretty good. Can you guys see me? So they come with their own little sticky pad, and this is what I'm going to use to attach these guys to the wall. I'm going to open this guy up. There you go. These are double-sided, so bam, right there. Let's do this one. There you go. Let's put our first puck together. I'm just going to place it there. There. First light on. I'm going to go ahead and do this to the rest of the pucks, and then I'll show you guys what it ends up looking like. Oh my gosh. Look how awesome this looks. Not bad, eh? Alright guys, this is with the lights completely off. Look at how beautiful this vanity mirror looks. I love it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and skip the floodlight because this thing doesn't have an on-off button, which is really bad, because every time I come in here the sensor will sense me and then it'll just turn on, and oh, it looks so good though. I'm gonna hold off on the floodlight until I find something that has an on-off button, and I just gotta look for that. I'm actually gonna go back to Home Depot to return this light because this little puck is defective. This one right here, it won't turn off. All right, I promised I'd finish this project today, but I ended up not going to the store because I was starving and it's pouring rain out. So I decided to stay in, and little did I know, these pucks just won't stay on the wall. I mean, I've stuck them on so many times and they just keep falling off, and only 2 have stayed on right now. I mean, you can definitely drill the pucks in the wall if that's what you want to do. You can definitely do that, but honestly, I don't think I could drill any more holes in that wall. That mirror was good while it lasted, and at least I could say I tried it out. All right, guys, I ordered my mirror like last week or so, and it actually came in good timing. I actually have my husband putting it up right now. Those are all the holes we put in the wall when we were trying to hang the other mirror up. So they come with the Impressions Vanity Mirror, and they aren't good quality because this is what it's supposed to look like, how it's flat and coming out, and then this one doesn't have anything coming out. So this is not secure, especially if you don't have wood behind the wall if you're trying to put this up, because if you try to put it up and you don't have anything securing it, it's just gonna fall down. The finale, after all the research, all the hard work, all the DIY, the sweat, the tears. I'm just kidding, I didn't cry, there were no tears. The trouble I had with the one that I made myself was just that the lights weren't sticking on my wall. It just kept coming off, and I didn't want to drill a ton of holes in my wall. So that's why I decided to go ahead and throw that one all away. I actually didn't throw it away, I just returned it, but the whole project I decided not to finish it, and I just decided to go this route, and this worked so much better for me. Here it is. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. Was it worth the amount of money that I spent? I don't know, but this is all that I could find for the quality and stuff. If you guys have other vanity wall mirrors, definitely link them in the comments below. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought of this video on the comments down below. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway coming up soon, so I'll have a video on that soon. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.